So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find low income housing for rent here on apartments.com. So once you're on apartments.com, I just want to search, go to your area right here, type in whatever area you want. I'll just type in Toronto for this example. So once you have your area selected, I want you to go to the top to where it says specialty housing and then press on the arrow to get the drop down. Where it says additional specialties right here, low income slash income restricted, make sure that one is checked right here and then press on done. So as you can tell right now, the search has been refined quite a bit. So if I were to get rid of the boundary right here, there might be some more options that show up. And this obviously would vary from location to location. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find low income housing for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.